Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. I am Lloyd from Nagar branch. In this class, I will tell you how to draw the drawings like used to draw tools and modify tools and all the commands. So I will take basically two examples, and first we will take example 2. You can see example 1 like this, example 2 here, and I will take for example 2 first and take a line. L is the shortcut key. Click ortho mode on, calculate, take like 30, distance is 30. Line, distance is 30, and again ortho mode off. You can see total distance is 50 and angle is 127. Total distance is 50. You can give angle, press tab, so angle is 127. But 127, but the whole angle is 180 degree. So in 180 degree we minus 127 degree. So the angle is, we can calculate in utilities. Go to quick calculator and 180 minus 127. The angle is 53. Take line, distance is 50, angle is tab 53. You can see. And next you come in this side like 79 degree. Take a line like here. So total is 180 degree. So we can minus 79 in 187. Also, or give 180. Also give 79. Like this step 79 and join like near specify point like perpendicular. And trim this line. You can see, check the angles. 79, enter. 127, enter. 90, enter. 64. You can see 79, 127, 64 and 90 degree like this. And also measure the length like this point to this point 30, enter. Take align this point to this point 50. So this is the line. And also you can change the line color, like go to properties and go by layer. You can change the line color and go properties, match properties, select line and match the properties like this. Also same, take dimensions, go to by layer, change dimensions color, again go match properties, select and change the dimensions. So this is the example one, and I will show that drawing, how to draw the drawing with angles, lines and dimensions. Thank you for everyone watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our CAD NEST YouTube channel.